Hey, what's up everybody? So one of my wheels ended up cracking on the GTR. I'm pretty sure it was already like that whenever I bought it because I barely had it for 2 months and I've been taking good care of it. So I'm guessing that it was like that when I bought it. And the more I drove it, the cracking got worse. So I ended up getting it welded, and then it's still leaking air, so I figured it would be a good excuse to get new wheels. So in this video I'm gonna do a quick unboxing on the wheels, and then I'm gonna show you like the before and after. So let's start with the unboxing. 20 by 12 in the back, and then 20 by 10 in the front. Alright, so let's open up the box and see what we get here. So as you can tell, they get packed really good. They will come with this nice cover to protect the rim. Wow, look at that. They look beautiful. They look really nice. They look way better than the picture for sure. Let me get a close up so you can see it better. So look at them. They look beautiful. I'm gonna try to get close as I can so you can see all the details. They look really nice. I cannot wait to get this on. And by the way, I'm gonna be changing the tires too, because since this is way wider rim than the stock one, now I have to go with the 335s. Yeah, 335s in the back, and then I'm gonna go with 285s in the front. As you can see now, the tires had sticking out a little bit because they're wider, especially in the back. You can really tell. Actually, I like the way it looks. I think it looks really nice. In the front, it's not sticking out that much. As you can see, it's not really that bad in the front. The only problem with this is now that it's gonna have paint chips, like you can feel like that a little bit. You got some in here. There's some in here already, but I guess it's worth it because I like the way it looks. But let me know what you think about the new wheels. I'm gonna leave all the information on the description so you can go check them out. I'm gonna leave their website and their Instagram. The way I got to know them is through Instagram, so that's how I keep communicating with them. I send it a DM and they answer all my questions. They were really helpful. So it's a really great, good company to work with, and they have some really nice wheels, so you should definitely check them out. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.